Good day everyone. In this video we will discuss on, do you have this question, sir, when I speak English but words does not come. When I started speaking but words does not come in my mind and I am unable to speak English. I cannot speak English. So how can I solve this problem? So my dear friend, do you have this question? Then you must watch this video till the end. Because first all of I want to tell you that same problem I faced. Yes, I have faced same problem, but now when I speak English, so I'm not taking many effort. Yes, because words come automatic in my mind. Then if you wanted to solve this problem, then first all you want to patient and you should not worry. It is very normal problem because this is a this problem comes lack of practice. Yes, my dear friends, and lack of vocab. Suppose that you don't have any vocab, then vocab will not come in your mind. So what should you do? First, you have to learn more vocab, and second, you have to practice. Yes, my dear friends, and you will have to spend more time with English, and when you will speak again and again, then definitely words will start coming in your mind and you will not face many problem. Yes, so you should not worry, but you should keep practicing and you want to patient. Yes, you should not worry, but you have to speaking regular. Then after some time words will start coming in your mind and you will not face many problem. Okay, it is very normal problem, you should not worry. So I hope you will not worry. So my dear friend, it is very normal problem. You should not worry, but you should keep practicing and you have to learn more vocab. And after some time, when you will speak before the mirror, then you will not have to face many problem. Yes, you have to speak daily different topic, and after that you will not have to face many problem. And you should not give up, but you should not say that when I speak English but words does not come in my mind, then I should give up. Don't worry, my dear friend, you should not give up, but you have to keep practicing, you have to keep learning, because it is very normal problem, it is very simple problem, but you have to learn daily new vocab. Then definitely you will speak very fluently and confidently, no one can stop you. Because uh, like your problem, every person faced this problem. Yes, you should not worry, but you want to patient and you have to say, and because this is a very normal problem. And now you can see I'm not uh, taking many problem. Yes, when I speak them words comes automatic in my mind. Suppose that uh, first time whatever we do, we will think, no, we will notice difficult, and so you should not worry. You should practice as much as possible. Yes, and you have to learn as much as possible. Then definitely you can solve this problem. It is very normal problem. Yes, and you can see that I want to tell you that you have questions that you wanted to practice but you don't have any practice partner, then how can solve this problem? So my dear friend, you should not worry, because as soon as I will bring a new section for you for practicing, and I will make you practice more, so you should not worry. Yes, and after that, with the help of practice, you can improve your communication skill and you can practice at home. So my dear friends, I want to bring a practice session, and with the help of practice session you can practice at home, so you should not worry. Yes, and after that you can improve your communication skill. We will practice to face. Yes, my dear friends, we will practice face to face. I will make you practice live session. I will provide you live session. So if you want to, live session for practicing, then you can write in the comment section, and after that I will try to bring live session for you, and after that we will practice more than more, and after that we can improve our communication skill. Yes, after that we will speak very fluently and confidently, so you should not worry. But you can write in the comment section and we will practice more than more. Yes, I will make you practice, because English comes to practice, and we have to learn vocab to vocab. Yes, do you have this question, sir? How can we learn vocab to vocab? Then you have one meaning of English. Then you can learn vocab to vocab, and after that you can speak English very super and perfect. So I hope, and so we will meet next session. Thank you so much for watching this video.